Go for it.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Okay, Team Loves, kumusta kayo dyan? Sa video natin ngayon, okay, pero before tayo mag-start, kung okay lang, magpa-subscribe kami sa channel namin kasi yung pag-subscribe nyo, malaking tulong yan sa amin kasi kung wala kayo, then wala din yung channel namin. So yan, Team Loves, pakihit ng subscribe.
Go for it.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Okay, Team Loves, sa ngayon na video, dalawa yung pinuntahan namin. Oh, okay, before we start lang, today, or hindi naman today to kasi na-record tong video na to the next day, kahapon, or for this video, Freedom Day sa New South Wales, which is saan kami nakatira, which is really good. Thank you. Pumunta kami sa clinic for our baby 20 weeks scan. Yan. The next, pumunta kami sa Blacktown West Point Mall kasi nagpa-sign kami ng document sa kaibigan namin, which is sobrang thankful kami na mayroon kaming kaibigan na ganun siya ka-powerful. Like, wow! Thank you, Rika and Joey. Salamat. Napaka-powerful nyo. Okay, so, intro muna.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Happy Monday! So today it's October 11th, Monday, and officially the first day wherein some of the lockdown restrictions will be lifted here in New South Wales. So we are on our way to Ultrasound Care Newtown for our baby's 20-week scan. Good morning!
Morning!
Daddy John.
Good morning!
Morning. So this is going to be the first time that John will finally see baby in the ultrasound. So he will finally see baby move and groove because before sa pictures lang yan nakikita si baby. We'll see you later.
Okay, Team Loves, ang nangyari dito, hindi kami nagkasabay ni Celeste pumasok sa clinic. In-expect namin na mag-park kami sa street parking kasi mas mura compare kung nasa loob ka talaga or sa Wilson. So, nangyari, full yung street parking. So, yun, umikot kami. Ang layo kasi yung ikot eh. Ang nangyari, dinadrop ko na lang si Celeste malapit sa clinic. Then, ako, pumasok na lang or nagtry ako, naghanap ng street parking pero wala talaga. So yun, pumasok na lang ako sa Wilson parking, which is a little bit pricey kasi yung street parking nasa $10 lang, pero kung nasa Wilson parking ka or sa parking sa clinic, nasa $29. So yun, big difference talaga yung parking doon, yung price. So yun, nauna si Celeste. Okay, Team Labs, nasa kotse na kami. And pauwi na. And yan, yung scan.
Medyo matagal kasi very detailed. Yung ano niya, mga organs. Check lahat.
And everything is okay.
Yes, and confirmed yung gender. Hindi na ako pagdududahan ni John na naging good time ko siya sa gender. So, di ba? Totoo yung sinabi ka.
Okay, so uwi na tayo. Yan, uwi na kami, Team Labs.
Hello, Team Love! So, we are on our way to West Point, Blacktown to meet our friends Rika and Joey. They have a YouTube channel too called Jorik's Adventures. So make sure to subscribe to their channel too. Now, yes, we will have dinner with them because today is day 1 of Freedom Day. Yes, today the restaurant and retail stores will be open. Yes, for a long time since June that we were on lockdown. What a great timing, diba? So that's why we're looking forward to having dinner with our friends today, Rika and Joey. Yeah, see you later.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling.
Okay, Team Labs, nakapasok na kami sa mall. Parang naligaw kami kasi malaki kasi tong mall na to eh. Hindi namin alam kung saan yung proper exit, proper parking para diretso na sa rooftop na nandun yung mga restaurants. So, yun.
I stand alone. Show me where.
Hello, kumusta? 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 Oh. Hello. Hello, Joy. Hello.
Gusto mo dito ka, Sires? O ano?
Yun, Team Labs, pagdating namin doon, kumustahan. Kasi ang tagal na namin hindi nagkita eh. Kumain. Recommended talaga sa amin yung Volcano Restaurant kasi yung mga serving nila, grabe. Then yun, sabi ko sa inyo na yun nagpa-perma kami kay Rika dahil isa siyang tao na parang powerful dito sa Australia. Diba, Rix? And Joey?
Yeah. Go for it. Nice. You're jealous.
What do you call it?
Describe natin to. Okay, Team Labs. Ito pala isang mocktail. Pero wala siyang alcohol. So,
Talaga, mocktail.
yan nga. Oh. Pero masarap siya. Tumawa si ka na, Team Labs. Okay, Team Labs. Nandito na yung pizza.
Hindi tinipid sa cheese.
Ano?
Hindi tinipid ang cheese kasi ang daming cheese. Steak, chips, and salad. And then we have pizza. Hawaiian pizza.
Ito, same.
Same. Only with mashed potato.
Nice. Ito wala pa. Ito wala pa.
Ito rin, wala pa. So yun, Team Labs. Yun yung video namin. I hope nagustuhan nyo. Kung nagustuhan nyo, paki-like and paki-hit yung notification bell para at least ma-notify kayo sa mga latest video namin. And then, kung okay lang, pahit kami ng subscribe kasi yung pag-subscribe nyo sa amin, malaking tulong yan sa channel namin. Kasi kung wala kayo, then wala din yung channel namin. Okay, Team Labs, salamat and we will see you tomorrow. Happy Freedom Day!